Shadows of a man, a face through a window, crying in the night. The night goes into morning, it's just another day. Happy people pass my way, looking in her eyes, see a memory, never realize how happy you made me, oh Mandy. Well, you came and you gave without taking, but I sent you away, oh Mandy. Will you kiss me and stop me from shaking? And I need you today, oh Mandy. I'm standing on the edge of time. I've walked away when love was mine, caught up in a world of uphill climbing. Tears are in my mind, and nothing is rhyming, oh Mandy. Well, you came and you gave without taking, and sent you away, oh Mandy. Hi guys, I'm on my way home. Galing ako sa office. I had to take care of some paperworks. I had to finalize my the approval of my leave. So I'm on leave tonight, as you can see. Yung pala na, I'm on leave from work. I'm applying for a leave of absence until the end of the year. Hopefully it will be granted. I just need to detox and readjust my new schedules in life. So yun ang status ngayon. That's why I'm on my way home. I don't have any on-air program until the end of the year. I filed for a leave of absence. Baka kasi hanapin niyo po ako. In-approve naman until Friday lang this week yung leave ko. Pero granting that I can support, no? Kasi ang reason ko ay mental health break, no? I just need to detox, no? Granting that I can support it with documents, which I can naman. I will get it from a doctor. Probably on leave until I'll probably be on leave until the end of the year. So naka-leave po ako tonight, no? So I'm on my way home. I'll probably hear your stories from my bedroom tonight. For now, it's a sanctuary for me, and okay na ako sa bahay muna. Next year, I hope to be renewed. I hope to be refreshed. Diba? When I go back to radio, I cannot help it because my job consumes me as a person. Siguro yun ang problema sa akin kasi I give my all to what I do. So pag may nangyayari, para akong it sends me into a tailspin kapag may movement, no? Hindi ako maka-adjust kasi I'm emotionally attached to everything I do. So magdi-detach lang ako kasi things happen so abruptly, so hastily, so sudden. That's why I will just detach myself from the schedule, no? And when I get back next year to my regular show, diba? I'm in a better place. I'm in a better shape. better well-being and everything better. I don't want to cap the year with me feeling down and feeling anxious about things. I have to save my sanity for me, for my cats, for my dogs, for my daughter, for my mama, for my kuya, for everyone. I'm coming to a realization that work isn't everything. If it consumes me, the entire me, then I have to save a piece of me. But of course, I need work to survive. So I am taking the time to rest, no? I am filing for a leave of absence until the end of the year. Although nag-grant pa lang is until Friday, the rest has to be supported by a medical certificate, which I can do naman. So medyo you know, if you've been following my career for a while now, you have a pretty good idea of how things are. But you know, I'll do the regular podcast sa bahay, yung Petty Night natin. So you can still catch me. I'm on my way home nga to do it. Kakain lang ako dinner, and then I'll go live sa Petty Nights natin, which I find some level of solace. I find certain level of, you know, yung peaceful sanity. Plus, I'm just in my room. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Yung sa bahay ako. So I guess that's it's a good and a bad thing that, di ba? It's a good and a bad thing that you're so attached to your work. Kasi si Con Romero, ikaw yung nakausap ko, di ba? Hindi nila alam kung sino ka doon, huwag kang mag-alala. Iba pangalang gamit mo. So, you should understand. So yun, I'm choosing to be in my room in the next several weeks, which I kind of fell in love with. Kasi alam niyo, I have a good room in my house. No? Nakikita niyo naman siguro, ayos-ayos ng kwarto ko sa bahay because my brother fixed it para maging homey talaga siya sa akin. So I have a good room in the house, and si Kuya fixed it for me. But I barely appreciate that I have a good room at home, kasi I go home middle of the night, I sleep, and the first thing I do when I wake up is leave, because I'm excited now to go to work again. No, hindi ko nagawang enjoyin yung kwarto ko. So I'll appreciate the things that I have, diba? Una, personal belonging and personal stuff sa bahay. Time for me to declutter my things, go all over my clothes, ibigay ko sa mga pamangkin ko yung mga damit na hindi ko ginagamit. May mga damit ako na nagamit ko for guesting dati na it does not, mga damit, so it do not fit me anymore. Wala na siyang fitting sa akin kasi hindi ako tumaba, lumapad ako kasi I work out a lot, upper body. So yung ganito kong lapad, hindi na kasya yung mga damit ko. So ay mga pamangkin ko, sakto sa kanila, so they want the clothes. So it's about time for me to give it to them. So I have time in life to do this, which I never intended to give it to myself before. Kasi he works. Never had the time and the chance to work on myself. So this time, eto muna. So when I get back on track next year, by January, I'll be in a better footing na I'll be in a better footing. So, yan. So plus I have rackets here and there. No, I wanna go back to my seat every night sa radyo, na mamahalin ko na siya ulit ng buong buo, nang walang pain sa puso ko. Because right now parang may karayom eh. Diba? I wanna go back to that because I just love my job so dearly. So, you know, you get my point, right? So, I wanna go back to that. Love na love ko na siya ulit. I just need the time away to miss it. The problem with my job, ang problema sa akin, sabi ng iba, a lot of people said, no, wag mong gaanong ibigay ang lahat sa work. Work lang. You cannot do that in the line of job that I have. Hindi mo siya pwedeng gawin because my job requires me to give my all to do it satisfactory. Diba? Hindi ko siya pa pwedeng gawing sakto lang. Otherwise, hindi niyo ako susupport, maniwala kayo sa akin. What's happening? Okay. So hindi niyo, ayan. Pag sinakto ko lang yung bigay ko ng trabaho sa opisina, hindi niyo ako mamahalin because you will feel it. Kaya niyo ako sinupport ng maraming taon eh. Because alam niyo na when I give it all. Said talaga. Di ba? Oh, kailangan maramdaman niyo na said ako at binigay ko ang lahat. Kasi my job requires me to be emotional eh. Hindi po pwedeng detach ako. Hindi po pwedeng sakto lang, emotional detach. Hindi siya nag-work sa akin. It has to be everything or it has to be none at all, nothing at all. So there you go. Dahil dyan, bango na hininga. Kiss ko nga sarili ko. I love myself. Alright, so thank you to people. You guys keep on. Oh my God, 400 people watching me right now. There's a lot, no? Okay, so there's a lot of people checking on me, and I appreciate you. Hindi ko kayo marireplyan lahat. There's no way I can reply to all of you. I have to have life, but know that I appreciate everything that you guys tell me. Even the constructive criticism, diba? And a lot of you are saying na just give enough. Why do you give it all? Well, yun nga, wala eh. Diba? Wala yun. Hindi po pwedeng hindi mo bigay lahat sa linya ng trabaho. Can you imagine you call someone tapos sakto lang yung papayo sa'yo? That's why you love the brand that I create when I give advice. I cry with you. I get mad with you. Diba? I pity you. I pity myself while I pity you. I'm so petty. Nag-gets nyo? Nakuha nyo yung you get where I'm coming from, diba? Hindi po pwedeng sakto lang. So, if there are things na na-move, diba? Namawa, may things are topsy-turvy. What a term. Right now, diba? You can expect na I will be in this array. Kasi structure by structure to work is coming from an emotional side. Hindi po pwedeng sakto lang. Diba? Hindi po pwedeng sakto lang. So yeah, so thank you guys. I know you appreciate what I do. You like what I do. You believe in what I say. You consider me in life. You listen to me. I am practically 90% entertainment, 10% logical. If anything, it's the other way around. Thank you very much. Diba? Na nakakataba ng puso yun. No? Again, sa mga bagong dating lang po, I'm on my way home. Galing ko ng Energy FM. Sinecure ko lang yung leave ko. I'll probably come around the office every now and then, but I have intended to file for a leave until the end of the year. Na-approve lang this week. So So yun, probably, no? Hopefully I get better. No? Alam nyo naman, yeah. Intellectually it's there, but you know, intellect can be messed up with emotion. Alam nyo yan, lalo yung mga taong, diba, yung dumudugo na yung bahagi ng katawan mo, pwede ka nang magliyab sa init ng sama ng pakiramdam mo, but you choose to go to work. These are thankless moments. These are thankless moments. Ito yung mga panahon that nobody will have to say thank you to you, but you know to yourself, you've given it all. Walang kailangang, wala akong hiningin thank you kahit kanino. Ginawa mo lang kasi yun ang, it fulfills you as a person, as a part of the team. You do it because it requires, no? Tsaka when I was leading the team, hindi pa pwedeng mag-uutos ako sa mga taong sipagan nila tapos alam nilang tamad ako. Di ba? Hindi pa pwede yun. If I will tell people na sipagan nila, dapat ako yung pinakamasipag sa lahat. Di ba? Ganun lang yun. There's no other explanation sa part na yun. Alright, so yun. So for meron naman akong Petty Night, I have the outlet. Diba? I'm in my room. I can still listen to your stories. There is this addiction that I have listening to stories. You know it by now. Alam nyo na yan. By now, alam nyo na I have this passion to listen to stories. I have this passion to, and siguro I have, well, mayabang na tong dating na to, pero forgive me for this one. But maybe I have created a persona that you can tell me stories. Kailan ko na nga lang nare-realize yan, I go to the mall, I go to a mall, to a supermarket, the first thing that people would say, "But Jackson, mag-share ako ng kwento." That's a lot, no? That's a lot to say. Diba? I mean, diba? Teka lang guys. So yun, and yes, all day, ngayon, lalo yung Petty Night tayo, all day today I get messages. What time po ako pwede magkwento sa'yo? Please give me the chance to tell you my story. Hindi ko kailangan ng advice. I need you to listen to me. Ano pag nakakarinig ako ng ganun, yung hindi ko kailangan ng advice, I just need you to listen to me. It makes me wonder why. Hindi ko alam, no? This is more than just a job for me. Diba? It's more than that. It's a calling. It's a calling that siguro dumating man yung panahon that I grow older, I'm old and gray, I no longer look fresh, but I still look fresh. But na lang nag-gym tayo tsaka tumatakbo-takbo, diba? I wanna believe that you'd still come to me to listen. I have to make me listen to you. The good thing about me is, mayabang na naman tong dating na to, I'm always interested to listen. I don't know, I just have the innate patience. I have the innate patience to listen to stories. Well, I hope you appreciate that, no? Thank you if you appreciate that. No? It means a lot, no? So yun, no? We'll do Petty Night mamaya, no? Medyo nag-pick up yung title. Actually, do you wanna know the story about Petty Night? Diba? Kung bakit yun ang title niyan? Something happened. I will not tell you what. I don't wanna get in trouble by saying it. Someone did something to someone, and I went like, oh my God, he is so petty. Ang babaw niya. Sabi ko talaga, so petty, so petty. Ganon. Then I realized, ako ba yung petty? Thinking that it consumes my day saying he is petty. So, ulit ako, sino ba yung petty talaga? Siya ba? Kasi ang coops niya? Or ako ba kasi pinoproblema ko yung mga bagay na hindi naman ako nakapektuhan? Ako ba yung petty? Diba? And then sabi ko, well, let's do it. Yan na yung title ng show, Petty Night. Well, I have a knack for that, by the way, guys. No? I have a knack for giving recalls, title. No? So, believable story, sa akin galing. Hot story ni Gandang Kara, ako nag-title. The Baklitas, ako nag-title. Diba? So, I have a knack for creating title for recalls na. Well, siguro natsambahan lang. Hope, buti na lang talaga, good thing na yung Petty Night, na-recall ninyo. Mas naaalala nyo ngayong Petty Night kaysa yung programa ko sa radyo. I mean, I don't know kung hurtful ba siya or what not. Kasi I've been doing the broadcast for 8 years now. Sabagay naalala nyo naman. Siguro this is just new kaya naalala nyo. May nabasa akong sulyapan kanina. Wala ka na po ba sa radyo? I'm still with radio. I'm just on leave po. Okay. Baka ma-misinterpret nyo. I'm just on leave. I just need the time for myself. I'm with radio. I'm with Energy FM. I just need time for myself. So I filed for a leave of absence. I just want to be at home, do my own thing at home, fix my damitan. Yung damitan ko magulo, kailangan ko nang ayusin. Di ba kalahati na naman ng kwarto ko, nakakaalam kuya ko, wala akong pakinabang doon, kwarto ko yon. Pag may nawawalang gamit, kailangan ko siyang tawagan, tol, saan mo nilagay yung ganito? Mukha na akong baby ng kuya ko na, nasa ganito tol, kunin mo sa ganito. So, I cannot even inventory my own room. I can't even. That's why. So yun. Yun. So I'm still with radio. And that's it. No? Hopefully, this hiatus, I call it. Have you heard of the term hiatus? It means to go to a long break, spiritual vacation, or break, or hiatus, or leave of absence, or sabbatical. Sabbatical. No? It's almost the same term. No? Hiatus and sabbatical, they're all the same. You're just trying to detach yourself from something. Sana hopefully itong bagong ito, because I want to be in the best version of myself again. I miss that. I miss being excited, waking up and performing the job that you guys look up to, you guys look forward to on radio. I miss that, no? I miss that a lot with all of me. So hopefully this long hiatus of mine, itong sabbatical na to, itong detachment na to for temporary, I just really hope it brings me the peace of mind that I so needed for myself. Diba? To embrace the new normal of my job, embrace it, no? Kaya lang naman ako ganito kasi binigay ko ang lahat, no? At I don't regret that. I don't regret. May mga araw I would tell myself, sana pala kinalahati ko na lang yung puso ko. Hindi Hindi ganoon eh. It shouldn't work. It shouldn't be that way. It has to always be your complete self. Diba? When you do a job. So yun, no? And well, mamaya kasi strictly business tayo sa taping ng ating ng ating Petty Night, no? Let me exploit the opportunity to say thank you to you guys, no? Sobrang salamat guys for supporting the podcast of Petty Night sa YT. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, may podcast po ako doon, the Petty Night, where I talk to callers, I record their voice, I talk to them, and I upload it as a podcast on my YouTube channel. Just the caller part, no? And so far, you give me, meron ako nakita kanina, 1 hour. Did you imagine that? 1 hour of content, tapos parang 4,000 views. Mahirap gawin yun, ha? Mahirap gawin yun sa panahon ngayon, ha? Kasi long format ako. Ang 4,000 taong tumapos yung ganong kahaba. That's a lot for me, and I'm so grateful sa part na yan, no? And plus, every day I upload 2 to 3 videos every day, no? So yun, thank you. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my petty heart. From the bottom of my very petty na puso, napaka-petty. I have always kept that childish heart of mine. No? I'm curious. I'm a tearjerker, di ba? At the same time ako rin yung iyakin, at nagpapayak ako, di ba? So from the bottom of my childish and petty heart, I thank you for supporting me. I might have grown older, I might have matured a lot, so much, di ba? But I maintain to be childish in front of you. I fool around, I play around decently, ha, mga sabi niyo. And you love it, you watch me. I don't know why, di ko din alam. So again, no, thank you so much for supporting me. Etong gagawin kong mga ilang araw, nagpe-Petty Night ako sa bahay, kahit wala ako sa radyo, nakalive tayo, di ba? It survives me a day. Naitatawid ko yung isang araw, na hindi ako nababaliw, because oh my God, hindi nyo alam kung my mind has a lot inside. Ang daming laman ng utak ko, guys, no? It's racing talaga. Thank you. Sobrang salamat, no? So yun, from the bottom of my petty and childish heart, thank you very much. Ilan kaya sa inyo yung, diba? Ilan kaya sa inyo yung kasama ko na mula nung umpisa ng career ko, hanggang yung kasama ko pa rin. Nakakatanda, no, pakinggan, but hindi kita pagod makinig, manood. Diba? Narinig ko, high school pa lang ako, kilala na kita. I was like, oh, thank you. I may have react a little differently every time sinasabi niyo yan, but I appreciate, of course. Ang tawag dyan, sasabihin ko ba, pusuan nyo ako, sabihin ko, kasi medyo kupos tong part na to, at self-serving to. Diba? Pusuan nyo ako na marami, sabihin ko sa inyo. Dali. Makikita ko naman peripheral vision ko. Kukwento ko sa inyo. Antayin ko. Inusuan nga. Ang tawag dyan is staying power. Wala nang iba. Ang tawag dyan ay staying power. Ang hirap magkaroon ng staying power. Ang hirap, sobrang hirap magkaroon. It's rare. It's very rare in a profession where the foundation of your profession is attention from a crowd. Because that's my profession. My profession hinges in the condition that I get attention from a crowd. Ang hirap magkaroon ng staying power. Sobra. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Ang hirap-hirap magkaroon ng staying power. And you gave that to me. I may have done the hard work, but you guys gave it to me. You gave it to me. Binigay nyo sa akin yan. Di ba? Binigay nyo sa akin in a silver platter. And you gave it to me. Di ba? Kasi, di ba? Naglipat na ako ng estasyon. Dati ako nasa Love Radio, nasa Energy na ako ngayon. So, at saka syempre, salamat din sa mga nagtiwala sa atin. Di ba? Yung Energy FM, yung boss ko dyan, iba rin yung naging tiwala niya sa akin, di ba? So, yun. Hay, nako. Anyways, malapit na ako sa bahay, guys. Inuwi ko na yung gitara ko. It's in here. So, mamaya kakain lang ako. I'll just have my dinner. I have not eaten anything today. Nothing at all. Wala pa akong kinakain kahit ano today. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Nakapag-workout pa ako kanina. So, kakain lang ako ng dinner and then we're going to proceed with Petty Night. Okay? Teka lang, ibablock ko lang si Mami Olet dito. Naiirita ako sa Olet Ogatis eh. Jane, mo ni English dyan. We're here to support. Huwag tatagalog, Ilocana. Ilocana ka. Yeah, again, thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Alright guys, i-end ko na muna to. At I'll see you in a bit. Kakain lang ako, malapit na ako sa bahay. Alright? Bye-bye everyone. From the bottom of my petty heart and childish heart, I love you all and thank you all. Bye-bye everyone.